In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Github Readme file. Alright, let's dive right in. Whether you're new to GitHub or a seasoned user, understanding how to effectively edit Readme files is an essential skill that improves the documentation of your projects. Readme files are the front page of your repositories, offering an overview or a guide to your projects for any future viewers or contributors. First things first, we need to access GitHub. Open up your preferred web browser and make your way to the GitHub homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in option in the upper right corner of the site. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your GitHub credentials. This means you need to provide the username or email address associated with your GitHub account, followed by your password. If your details are correct, clicking the sign in button will grant you access to your GitHub dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, providing quick access to your repositories, pull requests and various settings. Now, to edit a Readme file, you'll first need to navigate to a specific repository. From your GitHub dashboard, select the repository you wish to work on. If you've got quite a few repositories, you can use the search function to locate the one you need more efficiently. Once inside your chosen repository, look for the readme.md file. This is typically located at the bottom of the file list. When you've found it, click on it to open the file. With the Readme file open, you're going to see a pencil icon or an edit this file option. This is your gateway to editing. Click on it and you'll enter the editing mode, which allows you to make changes directly within your web browser. Editing a Readme file is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with Markdown. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that GitHub uses to render text files. If you're not yet acquainted with Markdown, don't worry. The syntax is intuitive, and GitHub also provides a handy guide right there in the editing interface. In editing mode, you can add additional information about your project, insert links, images, and even format text with headings, bullet points, or tables. Take this time to ensure your readmes is clear, concise, and informative. Remember, this file serves as the first point of contact for anyone who finds your project. It should answer any basic questions about what your project does, how it can be used, and how others can contribute. After making your revisions, scroll down. You'll find a commit section where you'll briefly describe the changes you've applied. This description should summarize your edits succinctly but clearly. Once you input your commit message, you have the option to commit directly to the main branch or create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. This decision depends on how you manage changes in your projects. If you're updating minor details or fixing typos, committing directly to the main branch is typically okay. However, for more significant updates or collaborative projects, creating a new branch and using a pull request is a safer practice. Once you've made your choice, click on the appropriate button to finalize your edits. And just like that, you've updated your Readme file. To wrap it up, always remember that a well-maintained Readme file can significantly impact the accessibility and attractiveness of your project. It's the perfect place to explain what your project does, how to set it up, and how others can contribute. Take your time to craft a well-thought-out Readme that's both welcoming and instructive. I hope this guide has empowered you to take control of your project documentation on GitHub. Thank you for following along, and happy coding!